CentralFloridaFamily.com, and we are out tonight at Busch Gardens for Howl O Scream. We checked out SeaWorld last week. Today, this weekend, it is the turn for Busch Gardens. They have 5 haunted houses and scare zones and 2 shows to check out. So we're going to try and check out as much as we can this evening and share with you what you can experience at Busch Gardens. Now, we live in East Orlando, so it takes us about 2 hours to get over here, and I have to say it's always worth the drive. We have such a great time when we come over here to Busch Gardens.
It looks like you need a nurse. Stay away. Fair warning.
I'll go ahead of you. Okay, we just did the first Halloween haunted house at Busch Gardens, and what did you think?
I'm scared.
Did it scare you?
Yes.
It did?
Yeah.
Were you scared?
Yeah.
What did you think?
Scary.
You thought it was scary?
Yeah.
That was his first ever haunted house at a haunted Halloween theme park experience. And about halfway through, he said, okay, I want to get out of here. But we did it anyway. And what do you think? Would you do another one?
No.
No, you're done? You're good?
Yeah.
He has been begging for a while to come and check out a haunted house, and now he has done it. And we'll see if we get him on another one. But for that one, it was really good. It was long. It was that had a lot of different rooms and experiences and people coming out. Not as many people scaring you, I didn't think, in that particular house. It was hard. We tried to get some video, but they don't let us use any lighting when we're in there, so which is understandable. But I have to say, nothing really jumped out and scared me. It was more of the experience of walking through. But it was the one closest to Cheetah Hunt, and I have to say, was enjoyable. We went through with someone who was yelling at every single thing, even when there was nobody there, and that made it even more exciting. So if you have anybody that you know that gets easily scared, it's entertainment in and of itself. So overall, we're gonna go, it was great. We're gonna go check out another haunted house. I don't think these things ever get old for us. It makes for a great parents' night out, but like I said, this is the first time he has come to one of these haunted events, so we'll see what he thinks as we go through. We have 4 more houses to do, so we'll see how it goes. All right, we're gonna go check out one of the mini scare zones that are happening at Busch Gardens Howl O Scream. Here we go. what's missing is like when they come out like with their knee pads and their shovels and sparks flying and.
There was a good one sitting in the bushes back there that really.
Did it get her?
Oh yeah, hell yeah. It's sitting in the bushes and just like stood up and just.
So would you recommend then the skip the line?
Please skip the line.
The other one is being used for you.
So they've got some really great loud music that you can dance to and have a great time. Really gets you in the spirit for a parents' night out, for some fun. So we're here at Cheetah Hunt, and while the kids go on the rides, we're enjoying some of the music and relaxing and having a great time. So apparently this is the Blood Bar, where you can get some haunted concoctions to enjoy for the evening. So we are over by the log ride, over by Tigress, and check out the Blood Bar, see what kind of drinks you can get. Getting ready to go through our next haunted house. Let's see how scary this one is. right, that was the Forgotten, and I have to say so far that's been my favorite haunted house. Just the lighting, the decor. I felt like it had more scares than the other houses. We still have 2 to go, but so far that was, like I said, that was my favorite. The scare zones have also been pretty good. They've got a lot of them, which is really a nice treat as you're walking, because this is a big park. So with so many scare zones, it kind of makes the walking a little less cumbersome, a little less daunting. And the crowds haven't been too bad. There are quite a few people here, but like the little area we're in right now by SheiKra, there's not a lot of people, but then there's not a lot of activity either, a lot of things to do. So far, this has been a fantastic night. So we're gonna keep checking on and see what else they have in store for us. Ready? All right, this is Witch of the Woods. I've heard this is the favorite of some, so we can't wait to check this one out and see how good it is. It's in the corner of the park, so it's definitely off the beaten path. But we're hearing a lot of screams, so we can't wait to see what they have in store for us for this one. Here we go. All right, we just finished Witch of the Wood, and I have to say probably so far that's one of my favorite ones. Again, just the decor and the length. It was long, lots of things to look at, lots of scares. I jumped a few times in that one. So Witch of the Wood is back in the corner of the park, so it's a little easy to miss. Make sure that you watch your map to look for it. And yeah, definitely a good one. I like that one. Let's go see. We got one more to do.
Perfect.
Howl O Scream at Busch Gardens, and one of the things that you'll notice is that the haunted houses are spread out throughout the park. So you'll see one down here, where is it? There. And you'll see one up here. This is why I'm not a weatherman or a weatherwoman, but you'll see them, they're really scattered around the park, and that's really nice. You'll also see the different scare zones are also scattered around the park, which is nice. It spreads out the crowds, really makes for a lovely evening, and you can enjoy all the rides that are here, which is something that's a little different than what they're doing at SeaWorld right now. But if you love roller coasters, you have access to all the roller coasters, so can't beat it. All right, that does it for us at Busch Gardens Howl O Scream. We just finished Death Water Bayou, and I have to say that was another great one. So I would say Bayou, Witch, and The Forgotten, I think, were my three favorite. There are 5 houses, and you can't really go wrong with them. They were all fantastic. But the scare zones, there were tons of scare zones, which again is amazing because it's such a big park, so it helps you definitely to get around the park. The haunted houses, to me, are equal what you're going to find at Halloween Horror Nights or anywhere else, really. I mean, they really do a great job. And I have to say, honestly, Busch Gardens is one of our favorite events to come to because the park is massive, so it really spreads out crowds. The roller coasters, if you're into roller coasters, it's a great opportunity for the family to ride on the roller coasters. And then you've got the haunted houses and the scare zones. They really do a great job. It's about a 2 to 3 hour drive for us, depending on traffic, to get here, but it's always worth it. We always have a great time when we come here, and Howl O Scream is no different. We would definitely come back again and again, and we highly recommend it. Again, it is for mature audiences. I did bring my 11-year-old for the first time. He's never been to a haunted event like this before. He handled it very well. We prepared him. We did the Scream and Stream the other day, so it was a little softer, but he had a great time. He wasn't overly scared, handled it really well, but definitely more for mature audiences. I wouldn't bring little kids to this event, obviously. But if you're looking for a parents' night out or you have older kids, this is a great opportunity to come out and have fun with them and kind of get in the Halloween spirit. So I guess that's it for tonight. We had a really great time again, and we recommend it if you're age appropriate for your family or, like I said, parents' night out. We love Busch Gardens and we love coming to these events. So again, as always, no matter what you're doing with your Central Florida family, we hope you're having a wonderful time. and we'll catch you next time.